Now I just draw the hook. And there you go. There he is. That's Transmetal 2 Dinobot. Anyways, after he was short-circuited, he remembered his past, and, well, he's considered as a maximal. And trust me, I love this guy. He's one of my favorite Autobots. Anyways, Alexa, play it again. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
I'll repeat the song.
Make sure you like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And I'll show you guys what awesome character I'll draw you guys next based on the comments below on what character you guys want me to draw. Till then, we bid you farewell. Stegosaurus, see you later.